To ensure your investment, make sure to deal only with a licensed broker or accredited salesperson. Hi everyone, this is Asaya Bicolano Dream Home Finder in Pampanga, and we are here in one of the subdivisions dito sa Mabalacat. We have behind me is this brand new modern contemporary home for sale. Okay, let's start. We haven't seen again what's inside. Sabay-sabay na lang tayo mag-explore. So you have single carport, and the house sits at 102 square meters for the lot. So they maximize all the spaces. Right here, going here is your access to your dirty kitchen. Let's explore more sa loob. For this one, ito yung main door niya. Okay, may aircon na. I see some aircon. Let me put my mug down. Laki ng aircon nyo. You have ano na dito? Parang 2.5 HP na siya. Ganun ang kalaki. As we enter your main door, this is your living area. Very modern, mga wooden finishes yung for this one. You have, you have ceiling fan, and also may nakita ko mga CCTV installed na for the common areas dito sa house na to. Maganda yung entertainment wall nyo, just add your television dito. Ito yung buong panel ng PVC, walang cut. Alright, going here, supposedly, hidden door to. This is a secret door, pero medyo naka-open na siya kanina. So this is your storage. Yun yung under the staircase niya hanggang doon. So this is your storage, also adds accent on this side. Next door is medyo open na. Pwede ng guest room. So we have guest room na dito. At decent size, may mga gamit pa kasi bago nga yung bahay. Wood for your door. Ay, wow, open din. Ang ganda din. And for that room, ito na yung shower area niya. We have common toilet and bath dito. Shower, mataas, toilet, and then yung sink. Iba naman yung design niya. And moving to your, which we need every day, is our formal kitchen, which we do our magic for our family. Okay, kung nasan si Mr. K, yan na yung pinaka dining area natin. Puntahan ko na lang. Here. You have your spacious dining area where you can still put up to 6-seater dining table. Ito yan. Again, let's go back to your, ito pwede pang breakfast nook where you can add your, kahit 3 stool, kaya pa siya. Island countertop with marble finish. Ayan siya. Siyempre, underneath your island countertop is yung, mga large storage. Buo yung mga storage niya. Soft close. Ito naman may mga na siya, divider for your utensils. Galing. Mga laminated, kaya ang ganda yung easy to maintain. Right here, buong yan countertop, you have your large sink, and then over here naman yung, what is this? 4-burner stove na. Then sa ilalim niya, syempre may oven yan. Bagong-bago. Laminated. Ang ganda ng ganito kasi easy to maintain. Punas nyo lang. Wala na yung dumi. Dito, meron tayong sliding door which direct access going to your dirty kitchen or laundry area na. Ito na yun. Andun ako galing kanina sa carport nyo, and then ito yun. Na-feel ko na naman yung mahangin. And you also have na dito, provision for your washing machine. Okay, I'll leave this para mahangin ka. Yan. So we have 1 bedroom na dito sa baba. Akit naman tayo sa taas para makita natin the rest of the bedrooms. So we're doing parang a quick house tour, full house tour peg for this house dito sa Mabalacat. Okay? Very warm lang yung mga color niya kasi because of the wood, matches everything. Let's start over here. A spacious bedroom too, but dito sa second floor. Window. This is where your headboard goes on this side. So, tapos ayun yung cabinet niya. Large. Main light, ceiling then matches yung pagka-wood. Large. Large cabinets. Unfurnished din yung house. So from here, makikita nyo ano yung mga pwede nyong ilagay. Additional renovation if you want pa. Another common toilet and bath. Another common toilet and bath car dito sa second floor. Shower, sink. Partition, glass partition na lang. Next door. I guess this is your primary bedroom. Mali ako ng pinasok. Okay? You have a spacious primary bedroom. Ang laki, in fairness. Okay? Spacious. Ayan na yung pinaka entertainment wall niya. And then right here, meron ka ng abang for your vanity area. I love the mirror. Ang laki. And syempre, for our primary bedroom, meron siyang sariling balcony. Ayan. Ganda na din. Buong ceiling na parang PVC panel. And behind this barn door, ang smooth, is your ano naman. First is your walk-in closet. Here. So open lang lahat, walang door, shelves. Just hang your clothes there. And going to your shower area naman, may pinto din siya. Separate. This is your sink. Ito may shower enclosure. Malaki. Pasukin ko. Siguro ano to? Yan. Sliding. Smooth din. And it's, spacious. In fairness, spacious. Okay. Tapos ito naman yung toilet niya. Meron pa tayo isang room. Parang na-skip kasi natin. And also, have I mentioned ba, lahat ng may air condition unit. Oh, just your living room and primary bedroom yung may air condition unit na included. Now this one, harap din ng property yung room na to. This is your fourth room. So, ang shower niya is yung common toilet and bath din sa second floor. See? Ayan. Large cabinets also. So, these are available for viewing. You might, you can just call the numbers flashing on your screen. Let's just do a quick recap. Balik tayo sa baba. Again, this is located here in Mabalacat, Pampanga. The house sits at 102 square meters for the lot area and you have 170 square meters for your floor area. That's 4 bedroom, 3 toilet and bath. You have a single carport and the house comes unfurnished. Future homeowners, let's move beyond the open budget myth and focus on what truly matters. Finding the home that's right for you. Again, this is Asa, your Bicolana Dream Home Finder in Pampanga. See you on our next video.